In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clone and edit your existing permission set in HubSpot step by step. This is incredibly useful if you want to create a slightly modified role without rebuilding all the permissions from scratch. Instead of manually recreating everything, you can duplicate an existing permission set and simply adjust what you need. It saves time, reduces mistakes, and keeps your account organized. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple HubSpot tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This will take you into your account settings area where all user and permission configurations live. Inside the settings menu, go to the left-hand sidebar and scroll down until you find Users and Teams. Click on Users and Teams to open the User Management section. At the top of this page, you'll see multiple tabs. Click on the tab labeled Permission Sets. In some versions of HubSpot, this may be called Roles, but it functions the same way. This is where all your existing permission sets are stored. Now that you're on the Permission Sets page, you'll see a list of all the current roles in your account. Find the permission set that you want to clone. On the right side of that row, click the Actions drop-down menu. From the drop-down options, click Clone. A pop-up window will appear asking you to name your new permission set. Enter a clear and descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. For example, you might add Limited Access or Marketing Edit version to the name. Once you've entered the name, click Create. HubSpot will now generate a duplicate of that permission set with all the same settings. Next, you'll want to edit the cloned permission set. In the list of permission sets, click on the name of the one you just created. This opens the detailed permission editor. On the left side, you'll see different permission categories such as CRM, Sales, Marketing, Service, CMS, and possibly others depending on your subscription. Click on any category to expand it. Inside each section, you can toggle permissions on or off depending on what this specific role should have access to. Take your time here and carefully review each setting. You can adjust object access levels like View, Edit, or Delete for contacts, companies, deals, and tickets. You can also control access to tools such as workflows, sequences, ads, reporting, and import or export functionality. If this role requires administrative access, you can scroll to the Admin Settings area and adjust options like Super Admin, Account Access, or Billing Permissions. Be very careful with admin-level permissions, as these give users broad control over your HubSpot account. As you make changes within each category, some versions of HubSpot require you to click Save before moving on. If you see a Save button, make sure to click it so your changes are not lost. Continue reviewing and adjusting all relevant categories until the permission set matches exactly what this role should be able to do. Once you've finished editing the permissions, the final step is to assign users to this new permission set. While still inside the permission set, click on the Assigned Users tab at the top. Then click Assign Users. A list of users in your account will appear. Select the checkboxes next to the users you want to assign to this role. After selecting them, click Save or Assign to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully cloned an existing permission set in HubSpot, customized it to fit your needs, and assigned users to it. This approach keeps your permissions structured and makes scaling your team much easier without starting from scratch each time. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more HubSpot step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.